Okay, well, first thing we're going to do is we're going to cut the actual belly taper first on the bandsaw. We always cut the belly taper first because if you were to cut the back tapers then you would actually lose your outline that you've marked out. So we'll cut this one first, then we'll clean it up on the linisher and then we'll work the back tapers. Right, now as you can see, we've cut the tapers now on the bandsaw. All that's left to do now to prepare this for working is to run it on the linisher, to flat out any of the saw marks that have been left, and to actually just get it nice and level down to the line that we drew earlier when we were marking out. Okay, so now we've run it off on the linisher, got a nice flat smooth surface to work with now. Next stage of this is now to cut the back taper and then we'll run it off on the linisher again and then we're ready then to start working the stave into a bow. Okay, once again we're going to go onto the linisher now. You can see I've roughly cut out the stave on the back now on the bandsaw. So what we've got to do now is just clean up all these lines on the linisher again and just take it down to the measurement lines that I marked out earlier on. Right, so now we've taken it down on the linisher, now we've got it all nice and smooth how we want. The raw stave's now starting to resemble something like a bow. There's a little bit of bend in it now already. So now the next stage is to mark out the belly of the bow and start D-shaping it.